Alright, folks, good day. In this video, I'll be talking on how to log in your account on MT5 or MT4, both real, live accounts, and demo accounts, and how to deposit. Now, the first thing you want to come to is you want to come to this account. To create a demo, you click on the demo. You come here, you click on create account. Demo, of course. You can choose MT4, USD, click on submit. Then it gives you all these details of what you're going to use to register. To the next video. Alright guys, so guys, what I'll be doing now is I'll be logging in with these details to my MT4 account. So if it's going to be MT5, you use MT5, you understand, but in this case this is MT4 as you can see. So all I need is the server, the password, and the login ID here. So now let me open my MT4, guys. MT4. Alright, let's go back. Okay, this is my MT4. I want to come down to this side and press my settings at the down right corner. I want to click on this positive icon at the right top corner. Then I want to click on login to an existing account. And I want to search the name of our beloved broker, CPT Market. Okay, so in this case now, this thing we have is CPT demo. That's the name of the server. You guys have to pay attention to the server very well. Assuming it's CPT live 01, live 02, you click on it, but in this case it's CPT Market demo. So click on CPT Market demo. Then we come here to copy the login ID. I paste it here, and the password which was given, copy and paste. And I click. So I'm putting it like that. You should log in. And that's that about that, guys. So let's go. All right. So now, just the same way we did that, if you're creating a real account, I'll click on live account, MT5 or MT4, either way you want. For those that will be using the bots, you use MT4. For those that want to be trading manually by themselves, use MT5. Then you want to click your currency, USD, you click on submit. You get your what? You get your credentials for your live account. You use it the same way to log in your real account. Just the same way we did for the demo. All right, now let's talk about how to deposit. Now, on how to deposit, you come to funds, just below the account. You click on deposit. We have various deposit method. You can use your card, net teller, screen. Then using card, credit card, or you can pay with crypto. Clicking on USDT. Paying with the card. You choose the place you want to deposit, either your MT4 or your MT5. The amount you want to deposit, then click on submit. Never mind, I can't do that now because the deposits are not supported until identity verification information is completed, because we are using what? The sample account to create a tutorial for this video. To withdraw as well, very easy. I'm going to ask for some few details. Not this actually. Then if you want to transfer your funds between one MT4, probably you have your money in MT4 before, and you want to transfer to MT5. Either ways you want to transfer money from one particular person account, as you can see at the back side, it's transfer out amount, the amount, and transfer inside amount. And that's all. So I believe this will actually help you and guide you to register your MT5 details, to link with your phone, both your live and your demo account, and to deposit, to withdraw, and to transfer. Thank you very much.